Hello Samir,
Hello Zahir,
how are you?
I am fine and you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Would you like to tell yourself?
Yes, why not?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Muhammad Samir Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. My qualification is class 9th. My father's name is Muhammad Kalamuddin Ansari. I am 15 years old. Would you like to tell yourself?
Just why not?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Zahir Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am a student of class 9th. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Naeem Ansari. Can I ask some question with you?
Yes,
Do you want to play cricket?
yes, I want to play cricket.
Which is your favorite team in IPL?
My favorite team is Mumbai Indian in IPL.
What is full form of MI?
The full from MI is Mumbai Indians.
Who is your favorite batsman in MI?
My favorite batsman in Rohit Sharma in MI.
Who is favorite bowler in MI?
My favorite bowler in MI is Jasprit Bumrah.
Did you begin to play?
Yes, I began to play.
Did you begin to live in the village?
Yes, I began to live in the village.
Do you go on reading?
Yes, I gone reading.
Does your father teach teach English?
No, my father does not teach English.
Does your brother read English?
Yes, my brother reads English.
Do you want to teach English?
Yes, I want to teach English
Why do you want to teach English?
because English is an interesting subject.
Do you want to drive a car?
Yes, I want to drive a car.
Do you like to play football?
Yes, I like to play football.
Do you want to swim?
Yes, I want to swim.
What is the ancient name of Patna?
The ancient name of Patna is Patliputra.
What is ancient name of Mumbai?
The ancient name of Mumbai is Bombay.
Do you like to speak English?
Yes, I like to speak English.
Why do you like to speak English?
I want to speak English because English is an international language.
Which is your favorite bike?
My favorite bike is Splendor Plus.
Who is your favorite hero?
My favorite hero is Allu Arjun.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is KGF.
What are you expecting?
I am expecting now. I when shall I speak English?
Used you to go to Patna?
Yes, I used to go to Patna.
Used you to play game?
Yes, I used to play game.
Used you to swim in the bridge pool?
Yes, I used to swim in the pool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I ask some question with you?
Just sure.
Do you like IPL?
Yes, I like IPL.
Which is your favorite team in IPL?
My favorite team in IPL is KKR.
Who is your favorite batsman?
My favorite batsman is Andhra Russell.
Who is your favorite bowler?
My favorite bowler is Pat Cummins.
Who is the owner of KKR?
The owner of KKR is Shahrukh Khan.
What is the full form of KKR?
The full form of KKR is Kolkata Knight Riders.
Must we be a good citizens?
Yes, we must be a good citizens.
Used you to play Free Fire?
Yes, I used to play Free Fire game. Now I do not play Free Fire game.
Do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I like to watch movie.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun.
Who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is Aishwarya Rai.
Oh, which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Pasuri.
Oh, which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is KGF 2, Chapter 2.
What are you doing here?
I am speaking English.
Does your brother go on reading?
No, my brother does not go on reading.
Who was the first woman IPS officer of India?
The first woman IPS officer was Kiran Bedi.
What is the old name of Sivan?
The ancient name of Sivan is Aliganj.
Tell me about five line your father.
My my father name is Naeem Ansari. He lives in Saudi Arabia. He is 43 years old. My father is a worker. My father is a good man.
Do you like to swim in this weather?
No, I do not like swim in this weather.
Ought we to serve the country?
We ought to serve the country.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Could you play cricket?
Yes, I could play cricket.
Should we be a good man?
We should be a good man.
That's all. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for listening me.
Hello, Gufran.
Hello, Sarfraz.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. Would you like to tell yourself?
Yes, why not? My name is Gufran Ahmad. I live at Ramsapur. I am 16 years old. My qualification is 9th class. That's all. Thank you. Would you like to tell yourself?
Yes, why not?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sarfraz Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Mustafa Ansari. Can I ask some question with you?
Yes, why not?
Can you go?
Yes, I can go.
Used you to go to school?
Yes, I used to go to school.
When used you to go to school?
I used to go to school 1 year ago.
Do you begin to read?
Yes, I began to read.
When do you begin to read?
I began to read at 9 o'clock.
Do you do nothing but read?
Yes, I do nothing but read.
Do you nothing but play?
Yes, I do nothing but play.
Do you go on teaching?
No, I do not go on teaching.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Can you play cricket?
Yes, I can play cricket.
Do you prefer coffee to tea?
Yes, I prefer coffee to tea.
Do you begin to read?
Yes, I begin to read.
Used you to read?
Yes, I used to read.
Have you a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
When do you play?
I play it in the morning.
Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like cricket.
Do you like IPL?
Yes, I like IPL.
Which is your favorite team in IPL?
My favorite team is KKR in IPL.
Who is your favorite batsman?
My favorite batsman is MS Dhoni.
Who is your favorite bowler?
My favorite bowler is Lucky Ferguson.
What is the full form of KKR?
The full form of KKR is Kolkata Knight Rider.
Who is the owner of KKR?
The owner of KKR is Shahrukh Khan.
Do you like to swim in this weather?
No, I don't like swimming in this weather. Swim in this weather.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like to watch TV.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun.
Who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is Aishwarya Rai.
Which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is rapper song.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you drive a bike?
No, I can't drive a bike.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Can you drive train?
No, I can't drive a train.
Ought you to serve the country?
Yes, we ought to serve the country.
Ought you to obey the parents?
Yes, I ought to obey the parent.
Have you seen the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen the Taj Mahal.
When have you seen the Taj Mahal?
I have seen the Taj Mahal in a mobile.
Used you to play Free Fire game?
Yes, I used to play Free Fire game.
Are you poor?
Yes, I am poor.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I have a bike.
Which is your favorite bike?
My favorite bike is KTM.
What is the ability of KTM bike?
I don't know.
How many sister and brother do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 1 sister.
How many population of this village, Ramsapur village?
There are approximately 1,000 population.
How many homes in Ramsapur?
Approximately 300 homes in Ramsapur.
Thank you.
Hello, Noor.
Hello, Aris.
How are you?
I am fine. You?
I am also fine. Thank you. Would you like to tell yourself?
Yes, why not?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Anwar Asaf. I live at Ramsapur. I am 13 years old. My qualification is matric. Would you like to tell yourself?
Yes, why not?
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Waris Raza. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My qualification is 9th.
Can I ask some question with you?
Yes, why not?
Do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I like to watch a movie.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
You prefer coffee to tea?
Yes, I prefer coffee to tea.
Can you pass the UPSC?
No, I cannot pass the UPSC.
Should we wear jacket in this weather?
Yes, we should wear jacket in this weather.
Do you like IPL?
Yes, I like IPL.
Which is your favorite team in IPL?
My favorite team is KKR in IPL.
Who is your favorite bowler in IPL?
My favorite bowler is Lucky Ferguson in IPL.
Who is your favorite wicket keeper in the world?
My favorite wicket keeper is MS Dhoni in the world.
What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mustafa Ansari.
Should we read?
Yes, we should read.
Should we play cricket?
Yes, we should play cricket.
Should your father go to office?
No, my father should not go to office.
Should you go to school?
Yes, I should go to school.
Ought to respect all teachers.
Yes, I ought to respect all teachers.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
When do you play?
I play in the morning.
Can you play?
Yes, I can play.
Can you play cricket?
Yes, I can play cricket.
Do you like to play cricket?
Yes, I like to play cricket.
Who is your favorite leader?
My favorite leader is Arsuddin Awaisi.
Should you play cricket?
Yes, I should play cricket.
Should you sleep in the night?
Yes, I should sleep in the night.
Do you do nothing but play?
Yes, I do nothing but play.